Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor 200 Smart. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on Continue, click on While using this app, and then click on Search bar. Now type in Firefox, then click Search, and click Install. Now you can click Open, and here click on Agree and Continue. Now you can select the default browser, or you can just click Cancel. And here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click Not Now. Then you can sign in, or you can click Not Now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click Not Now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click Save and Continue. And you can select your toggle placement, or you can click Save and Continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.